What's crack-a-lackin', guys? It's your boy Tony Nuessi here with another video on the EP3, guys. On this video, we're gonna go ahead and clean those headlights, and we're gonna give it a quick polish. Let's start it. First off, I want to go ahead and tape off the whole car, like all this black stuff, because we're gonna go ahead and polish it. Honestly, the car needs a good polish, so why not do that? And yeah, guys, so we can make it super clean. I believe this is color matched. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start taping everything off and get it ready to be prepped to buff. We're gonna do, it doesn't look too bad. There's no deep scratches. Sorry guys, my fingers are in the way. There's no deep scratches from like nothing crazy, so probably be like a cut and then a polish, get that out of the way, maybe some swirl remover. But first off, I'm gonna go get a water, scrub it down, soapy water, all that good stuff, get the car looking clean. But yeah, let's go ahead and quickly get the materials for that, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so we ended up adding some foam soap into this bucket, so let's go ahead and start putting it on the car. So honestly, so we got the front and the hood done. We're gonna go ahead and tape it off right now. And then guys, to wash it off, I got my handy dandy soaper.
¡Ajá! ¡Se mamó!
Alright guys, now that we got it all nice and wet, now we gotta dry it off. Sheesh. Alright guys, we dried it. Time to rip this piece off and start taping everything off. I feel like for this one I kinda wanna grab a bag and just like tape it off that way. Probably be easier. So, right here, definitely need to tape it down. The fuck? Oh shit, there's a bee, guys. Or there's a giant wasp. One or the other. That's crazy. So I'm just gonna finish taping it off so that you guys saw what I'm doing, and then update you guys. Oh, here's the wasp. Alrighty guys, so I ended up picking up some Mother CMX Advanced Surface Prep. So let's prep our surface. So we're gonna go ahead and spray. We're gonna do the back first. Oh, it smells like cherry. It's nice. Let me quickly air dry this. Okay. So now that all the oil and residue is removed from that, we're gonna go ahead, connect our polishing, whatever this is called. But I'm gonna moisten the pad a little bit. Make sure it gets a little wet, and then we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Alright guys, a good rotation speed to polish your car or whatever you guys are gonna use is 2,000 to 2,500. So let me actually take this piece off. And we're just gonna plug it into here. We're gonna use some Meguiar's Mirror Glaze Dual Action Cleaner and Polisher. Make sure you guys shake this stuff because, yeah, as you guys can see, all these scratches in the paint. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty bad. But yeah, so let's see how it will do. Grab a rag. Sheesh, but that's shiny, guys. Tell the difference between like right here and then right here. You can still see a lot of the imperfections. So let's go ahead and get one of my other pads for the alrighty. Check it out, guys. Ahí va la cosa. Sheesh. Woo. Alright, guys. I ended up polishing most of the car without showing it, but check it out. Sheesh. It came out clean. There were some like pretty deep scratches that I couldn't get out, so I was like, yeah, whatever. But other than that, did the roof. Came out good. Just need to do the top of the tailgate now. But right now I just decided, I was like, hey, you know what, I'm gonna install these. So yeah. Right now what I did was I needed to file these down a little bit so they could reach in there. There we go. Clean. You guys time to do the other one, so I'll show you guys what I meant about filing it. So these pokey things right here that hold it are actually a little too out. They need to be filed a little bit because or else the bumper, they don't go in. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, that's fine. Bam! And just like that, stupid clean. Alright guys, last spot to do is the trunk. So what I'm gonna do is, where's the cream? The cream. Oh, you can see the swirls on that bad boy. Okay, all done. Oh my god. Now to do a full 360 around the car. Dang guys, it's really dusty. Other than that, looks good. Dang. Alright, let me fix that and then we're gonna go ahead and move up to the headlights and start getting those done. I have a little kit for that one, so I don't have to use my polisher. But sheesh, coming out clean. All right, let me finish this real quick, put it on, and then we'll move over there. All right guys, moving on to the headlights. So picked up this headlight restoration kit for my wires. Picked it at Ross. Check it out, $12.99. These are normally like 25 bucks. Come up guys. So let's go ahead, open this bad boy up. According to this, it has a sanded, let me see what grit it is. Oh, 3000 grit sanding pad. And the other one is 1000. So actually, let's go ahead. I think these headlights, realistically, I'm gonna try I'll try the 1000. Okay, so let's go ahead and we need to get our, the reason I'm gonna use this one is because just so I can get more coverage faster. So 1000 grit sandpaper guys. Bum bum, and you can tell where your imperfections are. When it dries, you're gonna see exactly where you're missing. Wherever it's shiny, you still need to sand. I see guys, like all these edges right here, they're still shiny, so that means we gotta darle otra pasada. All right guys, I ended up hitting it again with 1000 because no estaba quedando guys. I mean, how to get more elbow grease in there, how to get in those crevices, how to get around it, really get that clear off of it so the headlights can actually look good. But yeah, that's about it. And then so I can get the next one started, we'll go ahead and move to this one and wet sand it. All right guys, so we hit the headlights, as you guys can see, fully hit them. So now we're gonna shake this up, the plastic X. This thing's awesome to restore headlights. You guys are gonna see right now, oh, how I love working on cars. So let's go ahead. Oh, you have to open it. Open it. Put a little bit on there. Put it close because you're definitely going to need it, and go ham. I'm gonna do this corner first, so let's go ahead. All right, plebada, you better not be hating on my D-Walt porque no me gusta el Milwaukee. Aunque muchos digan que sí. This drill saved me a ton of times. So yeah, guys, puro de igual. Pero yeah, pretty much you just gotta give it a good pass. Give it a good pass para que no la hagan otra vez, eh? All right. Where's my towel? Quickly give it a wipe. That's one coat. Alright guys, ahorita me van a ver hacerle otra vez with the small drill, but then I'm gonna be like, nah, let me get the big boy right here. Chale duro, quick and easy, bam, bam, bam. But remember, you gotta get those corners, so use the small one once again and give it a good wipe, and you'll see the results. Sheesh, guys, así quisieran tener las nalgas de limpias, eh. No, imagínense si cargaran los calzones así, you guys would be pulling it. Pero no, guys, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the other light, so let's go ahead and hit that now. So we're gonna let that one, that coat sink in real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing I did. Came out clean. Check it out, guys. Ooh, that is nice. Okay, so sheesh, looking spiffy. Now we just gotta go take some pics of it and we should be good. Let me just quickly, yeah, that guy's in a rush. Gotta get it in between here. Okay. Sheesh, y así se terminó el video, guys. Miren, clean. Para que vayan y digan, ahí está el espejo. Hoy corrió y ahora. No agarren ese perrillo por ahí. But yeah, guys, I ended up putting some tire shine para que quedan los wheels bien nice, you know. But yeah, car came out great. A solid 8 out of 10. No soy profesional, guys, pero como dice una chiquitita por ahí. Chau, chau.